Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 6th of February, 2023. You guys may have clicked on the video because of the title asking a question. Could we see Quant 3x this month? Short answer, no. And I'm going to show you all why real quick. You guys can tell the reason why off of the chart as to why price in Quant is not expected to 3x this month. And it's because price cannot even break above $150. That's the reason. It's because sellers are positioned at $150, $152. If the price in Quant can never break above that level to the upside, we don't even need to consider 3x, let alone a 2x, let alone a 1x. Let's keep it real. You guys can see though, we predicted that Quant was going to go higher, and it pretty much topped out at where we said it was going to top out at, $150. Isn't that crazy? Because ever since that particular moment, price in Quant has gone down. So what now? Let's talk about it. So let's go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. You guys see that's around 14.95%, which was had on the 24th of January. Now I did a video on the 15th. That is when I did this price prediction. Go look at the video. Market TP came in on the 24th. Congratulations to those who also predicted the same thing, because now we have an idea that the market in Quant is seeing sellers around 160. So we're now noticing the trading channel that the market in Quant currently is trading in. Look at this. I'm zooming out the chart and I want to show you all that this has been the trading range for Quant. Nothing has changed. The market is finding balance in these two lines. This is where the market is finding balance, simply meaning that the market is stable because the buyers and sellers are in agreement with what they're paying or selling this cryptocurrency for. Okay, now zooming in back on the last couple of days, it's been a fantastic month for January. We're beginning out in February, and the market downtrend is currently ongoing. Yeah, you guys can see it. Like, let's not hide from what's the truth is showing us. The truth is Quant is breaking trend. That's the truth. The run up in January is now trading below the line. Okay, so what does it mean? Like, let's keep it real. It simply means that the market is becoming weaker. As in everything in life, all good things must come to an end. Now, this may just be a momentarily. It might not be forever. But let's look at the charts on the 2-day time frame for Quant. Okay, so yes, I am slightly bearish in Quant. Yes, I'm looking for price to continue to go lower. Now, for two reasons. The first one is because of this resistance area 160. Okay, buyers was not successful at trading price above 160. That's strike one. Strike two is us seeing price break the trend line. Strike two. That is why I'm slightly bearish in the market in Quant. Now, it doesn't mean that the price is going to run down to 90. Not yet, but we can recognize when weakness is entering the market. 3-day chart in Quant. Okay. These 3-day price bars is where people in the market in Quant was taking profit. Look at where the market closed on these 3-day price bars. Charts don't lie. You cannot come in and revise a price bar. I have yet to see a market come in and erase what occurred historically on a price chart and say that this is really what occurred. It's not like no economic reports where you can't come in and revise the numbers because you got more information to come through. These price bars is set. Can't go back and change it. So what we're seeing is people in the market in Quant taking profit. Now, look at this on the 5-day chart. This is indicative. This is indicative of more weakness on top of the prior 5 days. So we have 10 total days beginning the 26th of January to where sellers have been taking profit. That is why this current 5-day price bar is going down right now. It's because the market is still weak. We haven't found buyers. So I'm going to zoom out though, and you guys can tell that support is currently being maintained in Quant right here. Okay. This is where the current area of buyers are located. The buyers think that this is a logical place, a cheap place to come in and begin to buy quant. Will the market hold it here, or will it continue to fall? To me, I suspect the market's going to continue to fall in quant. Now, my price prediction, my first price level is going to be around 126, maybe 125. So we'll do $126. That's my first price level. Second is 120. Okay. Third, it's going to be down here towards 110. Now, I'm not really looking at 110, but if the market doesn't find buyers at these other two prior levels, then yeah, 110 is going to be third. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. And I said 126 was first. That's 8.65% there. 120 is second. That is 13.34. Let me go ahead and get my magnifying glass so you all can see it. So that first area, like I said, is around 126. And that's 9.01%. 126. Second one is at 120. That's 13.34% right here, 120. And then last is 110. Like I said, I'm not really looking at 110. Which is 20.48% move from where price currently is in quant. And it's right there, 110. Okay. Now, this is going to be contingent of us seeing quant stay below 160. Okay. As long as price in quant trades below 160, we understand that the general or the easiest way for price to move is to the downside until we see the market hold support at one of those levels that I mentioned. Okay. So that is it. I'm going to hold that trend line there just a little while long, because if the market comes back up and holds that trend line or trades right back above it, then that's going to tell me that we need to come in and reevaluate the situation. The market obviously is a little bit more bullish than what I anticipated, and we'll come back in and do another idea as to what we're looking forward to into the market and quant. But as right now, this is what I'm thinking price is headed. Now, you guys will have to think the same thing. If you guys think the market's still bullish, then cool. It's a free market. You're able to think the way that you want. Just drop a comment and tell us where you think price is going to go as we trade throughout February going into March. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.